Lately, you may have noticed artificial intelligence helping people create amazing things, solve complex problems, and inspire communities to imagine more. But you might be surprised to know that while AI has been accelerating at a faster pace these days, Microsoft has been responsibly developing AI for a long time, like for decades. Microsoft is using breakthroughs in AI to make life easier for us in everyday ways that you might not even realize. Background noise suppression on calls? That's AI. Using Microsoft Designer to help create a birthday invite? That's AI. Translating meetings? That's AI too. And that's just on an individual level. Microsoft AI is helping businesses boost manufacturing operations, improve customer service, and prevent fraud. Microsoft AI is also helping customers work on some of society's greatest challenges: sustainable farming, digital literacy, and more. But it's also important to develop this tech responsibly. Our goal is to democratize AI and machine learning so everyone can develop, use, and benefit from AI innovation. The next year will be one of the most exciting and innovative yet, leading us to places that now we can only imagine. Imagine more with Microsoft AI.